Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete or uninstall spying apps on your phone. So let's start. First open Google Play Store. Now tap on three bars on top left corner and go to Play Protect. If your Play Protect is not turned on, then turn it on right now. And then tap on Scan. And the scan is complete and no problems were found. But still, to make sure that there are no spying apps, you have to do what I am doing right now. Close the Google Play Store and open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Biometrics and Security. Now go to Other Security Settings and tap on Device Admin Apps. If you have any spying apps on your phone, it will show here. Just like Find My Device. It is a mobile tracking app and it is very useful. I'll show you the example with this app. Now tap on the app and tap on Deactivate on bottom right corner. Now this app will be deactivated. Now go back. Now go to Apps. Now here search for the app you just deactivated and uninstall it right now. And that's how you can delete or uninstall spying apps from your phone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.